Hello children, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? All of you good? Today we attend the pre-nursery class. Now the subject is English and the topic is alphabets. Today we learn about the alphabet, how we write the alphabet and how we count these alphabets. The first letter is A. The first letter is A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Apple. A for apple. And the sound is apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. The next letter D. D for dog. Dog. The first thing is apple. Apple. The next ball. Ball. The next is cat. Cat. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. Now we write the alphabets. The first letter is A. Match the first dot with the line. And draw the line, middle line, second line. This is A. This is A. This is big A. And this is small a. This is small a. Small a right, middle two lines and big A white on upper three lines. Now we write the letter B. First of all, we draw the straight line. B has two bellies. B has two bellies. The first belly is small. The second belly is big. And the small B is have one belly. And A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. Now write the letter C. Like a half circle. Small C right, middle two lines. Cat. D. D for dog. Dog. And write the D small. Now we start the activity. Now we write the sandboard letter E. In this, we have used two fingers. First of all, put their finger down and down. The next, draw two lines and the middle edge. This letter is A. And the sound is A. The next letter is B. We have two bellies. First of all, We use two fingers to draw straight lines. Draw one belly small and the second belly is big. This letter is B. B. Is C. This letter is C. Like a half circle. C sound is K. C sound is K. The next letter is D. D sound is D. D sound is D. Okay, now we start the ICT board activity.
Allah makes apples.
Allah makes apple. Sing
Allah
with
makes apples. Allah makes apples. Allah makes apples. Is the sound of A.
B.
B. Begin with Bismillah. Begin with Bismillah.